Hello my dear knitters, I came today with a very short video tutorial again about how to cast off or bind off 2x2 rib stitch. I'm making some changes on my lovely pink jumper and I wanted to show you this method because I think it's very nice. My voice is funny. This is how it looks, because for the rib stitch 2x2 it's very flexible and very stretchy. Then when it's very nice and stretchy method to cast off, to don't pull it all together, then this how it looks. And my stitches are very uneven, but this will be better after I wash. And here my front part, and I just want to show you this bind off or cast off. I was using let me see if I'm in focus. I was using here the 2 stitches I cord. Then I will take this. I use the sorry I need to give you more details. I am using my 4mm needles and I'm using 3.5mm hook. I'll show you with a hook, and then probably I'll show you, if you don't have hook, how to do it with the needles. Then first 2 I just knit together because this is my I cord. Then you see which is your next stitch. If your next stitch is a purl, you do yarn over from you and you purl your stitch normally, and you hold your crochet hook like a needle and just pull it through these 2 stitches. Again, next one is purl, yarn over from you, purl your stitch and pull through. Next stitch is the knit stitch. Then you will yarn over to you this way from back to front, and it will be a bit trickier. You knit your stitch and then you hold a little bit this one and pull through 2 stitches. Again, yarn over to you, knit your stitch and pull through both. Right, and here we go again. Purl stitch is easier. And knit stitch to you. Miserable and rainy today in Brighton. I'm not very happy to go for work. You see, I have 4 strands of yarn, and then it can be a bit trickier. Now I'll show you, if you don't have crochet hook, but I think it's always easier. And the same thing, you just, and then you use your left needle to pull them through. Do them one by one. Right? You can do, probably try 2, but I do one by one because it's easier. And then yarn over to you, and here you pull this through. And that's it. Sometimes I like to use this method for the stockinette stitch as well, and you just use I do it from the side of purl stitches because they are easier for me to catch, and that's why how it will look, little zigzag here, and it will be very stretchy and very nice. being off. I hope it was useful for you, and that's it for today. Keep in touch, let's knit together, let's be happy and spread our love. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.